Max. So what procedure are you having done today?
I'm getting a hair transplant today. I feel like over the years my hair has, I've also started losing my hair, so I'm very self-conscious. So I want to bring my self-esteem up again.
So Max, you're at the end here. How was your day?
It was excellent. Everything went very well, very smooth.
And as far as pain throughout the day, how was that?
No pain during the day. Everything that was given to me lasted me the entire day. So excellent job on that. See the results in 3 months, but overall it was a great experience at the clinic. Give it a 5 out of 5 in my opinion.
Amazing. All right, looking forward to seeing your results.